Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing video presented by Stein Investments. Yesterday we talked about the special trends of correlated currencies, and today we do have another example to present you the exact same behavior in the market with trends that move in one direction with almost no drawdown at all. And to have a look at the market here, we see there's currently nothing special happening. The total trading volume is currently a bit recovering after some stagnation during the last hours, but this is probably due to the upcoming high impact news events that are announcing some new data from the employment side. So anyway, let's focus on tonight's buy trend of the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. You can also already see in this picture here that they are both pretty strong and mostly above all other currencies. And if we enable the focus mode on this Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar chart, then you see it even more clearly. But before continuing to the corresponding single pair charts, I would say we check when this move appeared, and it was around 240, 245, and from then it remained stable. So I added this vertical line here in the chart because it marks the beginning of the trend where both the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar became so strong and remained like that for several hours. You see here, there is, starting at this point, there's just a one-sided move, and if you browse through all the other charts here was the beginning of this move. You'll witness the same across the board. This one was stopped by the next resistance level here detected by FX levels. It's around 6 days old, maybe even more. They are currently overlapping, so it's quite unclear, but nonetheless, it's amazing precise how FX levels spots these levels and the market touches them and goes back to the downside. And I can only recommend to enable the duration time in the FX level settings, so you will see how old these levels are, because the older they are, the more relevant they are. So let's move on to the other charts we have here. The New Zealand dollar was a lot stronger than the Aussie dollar and is moving just straight to the upside, currently at 107% ATR. We started our trading day at around this time, so it's pretty late, but these trends offered an amazing opportunity for all Asian customers or US traders that are able to trade in their evening hours. Euro against the Aussie dollar, exactly same picture. You could act if you want with a very, very tight stop loss and increase your profits drastically depending on the leverage your account provides, because the tighter your stop, the bigger your position, and so the more margin you will need. But you'll see what I mean and what I'm talking about. These are perfectly one-sided trends. There is almost no drawdown. And that's what we are all looking for. These are the opportunities that sets apart from all others, and I can only encourage you to give it a try. And if you like to get more about this strategy, like new alert options in the customer alerts tool, please leave a like and leave a comment. Then we can see if there is some demand from our followers. So if you are interested in this new strategy, just drop us a line and give us some feedback, and we'll add it as experimental strategy to our customer alerts tool. So that's it. There's currently nothing more to speak about, because that's the best information I can give you for today. Apart from that, being now patient and maybe reduce your risk before the upcoming US news. and maybe we get some further trading opportunities during the New York session today. That's it. Thanks for watching. I am really curious about your feedback and see you in the next one.